Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back again with yet another craft. I hope you will enjoy watching it and also make it. Okay, now due to the current situations, mask has become a very important part of our life. We can't think of stepping out of the house without wearing the mask. So today I'm going to teach you how you can beautify your mask using simple painting techniques. Instead of wearing the mask with fear and depression, let's make it a pleasurable experience for us as well as spread smile among the people who look at us wearing the mask. So we are going to make we are going to do painting on the mask. I have taken a plain mask like this, got it stitched out of the plain fabric, and for the design we will need a square shape. So I am cutting out a square shape from a paper. Okay, yeah, like this. You can use this as a stencil. I'm quite confident about the freehand drawing, so I'm not using it, but those who are not very confident can use this kind of stencil to draw the diagram. So I'm going to make squares like this and a small circle inside. So I'm going to make squares like this. Yeah. You can make as many you want to make, or you can do any other design, whatever you like it. I'm just showing you a simple and sample design so that you all can have an idea as to how you can do it. So I'm going to make various squares like this all over the mask so that this material looks like a printed material, and few places I will make half like this to make it look natural. Okay. Now coming to the other side, make few more squares like this and a circle inside. Here a half one. So randomly you can just make this kind of design with the pencil and draw it on the mask to make the painting easier. So the mask is ready with the print. Okay, and to avoid the paint coming on the other side, I'm just going to keep a newspaper behind so that the other side doesn't get damaged. For this I'm going to use dark blue color and green color. You can choose color of your choice. There is no particular thing that you have to use this color or that color. So I'm going to use this color. I'm taking the blue color and painting it outside on the square like this. Yeah. Try to use thin brushes so that the color doesn't come outside the outline and you can give a very neat finishing. So try to use thin brushes, probably 2 number or so. So we are going to fill up the box like this, and don't take too much paint also, and don't add too much water in your paint, otherwise the paint will start smudging and your fabric will get spoiled. So just do blue color like this in the background. So I'm going to fill up all the squares like this with the blue color. I'm done with the blue color now. So I'm going to use this green color to do it in the small circles inside. So I'm going to paint like this. Just be careful. See to it that the base color is dried properly to avoid smudging of colors. Okay. So just see to it that the base color is dried a little before using the next color. So like this I'm going to do green color on all the circles inside like this. One by one. The contrast colors looks very beautiful, and when you have a lighter color base of the mask, the brighter color looks better. So I'm trying to use brighter color to make the mask very colorful and beautiful like this. I'm almost done with the green color. Now I'm going to use white color for doing the outline like this. Try to use the thinner brush. And once you're done with the outline, you can put this kind of dots outside the circle. And also outline to the square like this. Once I'm done with the white color, I'm going to wash this brush, wipe it off, and I'm going to use the black color now for the further beautification. So I'm going to put a dot inside the green color and put the dots outside the square like this. I'm going to repeat this for all the squares. Now I'm almost done, and after finishing, it looks like this. Isn't it very pretty? It is very simple to do. Even with the elders' guidance, even the kids can do it, and it's a very fun activity and very useful. So you can try things like this at home and make wearing mask a very pleasurable experiences. You can also gift it to your friends and your relatives and things like that, and get creative. So after finishing, the mask look like this. You can do any kind of designs, anything that comes to your mind, something floral or cartoons or things like that. I have made few masks like this. I have made designs like this, and then this. You can use your imagination, your creativity, the things that you like, and accordingly you can do. I have painted the entire fabric like this and made it very colorful and nice. This is one more design that I have made, and this is one more design that I have made. Yeah, and this is one more design. I have also painted my kurti like this. I have just made small design like this and painted my kurti. So you can use your creativity on anything, bed sheets, your kurtis, your mask, or whatever you want to do, and make things look more beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share my video, and until the next video, bye bye and see you soon.